Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Santa Claus is probably one of the most magical and cherished experiences for children during the holiday season, bringing joy, wonder, and unforgettable memories that last a lifetime. And this year, we're diving deep into what makes a Santa Claus truly exceptional. From their jolly demeanor and authentic costume to their ability to connect with kids on a personal level and create that truly enchanting Christmas spirit. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built set is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Unbox a complete Central Perk studio set, along with all your favorite characters. Includes Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, complete with cool accessories for role-playing. This 1,070-piece collectible toy offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16 and up. It's the perfect Friends memorabilia gift for any fan. Compatible with existing LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters. You can create your own unique mashup models and tell your own stories with this versatile set. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful gift makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office, showcasing your love for the show. What we like. This set brings the beloved Central Perk Cafe to life with incredible detail. It includes all your favorite characters and iconic props for endless role-playing fun. If you're a die-hard Friends fan or looking for a rewarding building project that doubles as a display piece, this is the one for you. What people say. The attention to detail is incredible. From the orange couch to the stage lights, everything screams Central Perk. The minifigs are spot on, Joey even has his man bag, and building the set was both relaxing and nostalgic. With 1,070 pieces, this set is packed with intricate details and fun references that perfectly capture the charm of the Central Perk Cafe. The build process was enjoyable and engaging, with clever design techniques that bring the famous coffee shop to life. From the iconic orange couch to the detailed counter area and the stage where Phoebe sings Smelly Cat, every element feels authentic and nostalgic. The attention to detail is fantastic, with small touches like the menu board, the coffee machine, and even the reserved sign on the couch. The set includes 7 minifigures, Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, each with unique accessories that reflect their characters perfectly. Their outfits and expressions are spot on, making them a great addition for both display and play. Number 4. Kangkang at Christmas Style Santa Claus Hand Bell, Gold. This hand bell is crafted from sturdy metal, ensuring durability and safety for all users. Its crisp sound is perfect for attracting attention or signaling for help. Designed for comfort, it features an ergonomic wooden handle for a pleasant grip. The smooth, shiny surface also makes it a charming holiday table decoration. Its lightweight structure makes it an ideal service bell for the elderly or those who are bedridden, providing an easy way to call for assistance. With a mini metal ball inside, it produces a clear jingle. Use it for Christmas decorations, as a general bell, or even as an ordering bell in various settings. This bell is suitable for schools, churches, restaurants, or parties to signal or attract attention effectively. You'll receive one golden hand bell with a black wooden handle. Its size is approximately 12 by 6.5 centimeters, delivering a crisp, melodic tone. What we like. This classic handbell offers a clear, attention-grabbing sound. Its sturdy metal construction and comfortable handle make it easy to use. If you need a reliable way to signal for attention, whether for a service bell, a classroom, or a festive event, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Otherwise it is perfect for what I intended to use it for. Si hay que tener paciencia para que leguen pero así leguen. Number 3. Where's Santa Claus? Lift the Flap Book. Join the festive fun and search for Santa Claus in this delightful Lift the Flap Book. It's a perfect holiday surprise for little ones. Discover a world of Christmas surprises hidden beneath the flaps. You'll find a polar bear, a snowman, an elf, and many more friends. This book is designed for little hands to explore. Lifting the flaps reveals charming characters and festive scenes. Looking for a cute stocking stuffer? This interactive book is a wonderful choice for Christmas morning. It also makes a fantastic first birthday gift. The engaging format and delightful illustrations will captivate young children. Meet a friendly polar bear, a jolly snowman, and a cheerful elf as you play along. There are so many characters to discover. What we like. This delightful Lift the Flap book offers a fun and engaging way to celebrate the holidays. Children can discover hidden surprises as they search for Santa. If you're looking for an interactive stocking stuffer or a charming first book for a young child, this is a perfect pick. What people say. She repeatedly goes for this book over the others that she has and can lift up the flaps to see what is hidden. She especially likes the final page with the mirror, very cute. The colors and pictures are so bright and fun. These are also great for teaching as well. Each page has something hiding behind a felt cloth. Easy to read and fun to interact with the hidden figures. Number 2. Sony CyberShot DSC H300 Digital Camera. Experience incredibly detailed photos with its 20.1 MP sensor. Capture crisp, blur-free HD video thanks to built-in stabilization. Bring distant subjects closer with an impressive 35x optical zoom. It's ideal for capturing everything from travel landscapes to candid moments. More megapixels mean you can zoom in and crop your images without sacrificing clarity. Enjoy enlarged photos with all the fine details intact. Easily capture breathtaking panoramic views with the Sweep Panorama feature. Get the entire scene in one stunning shot. Don't let low light ruin your photos. Its optical steady shot feature effectively reduces blur, ensuring sharp images every time. What we like. Capture stunning photos and videos with its impressive 20.1 MP sensor and 35x optical zoom. The built-in stabilization ensures sharp images even in challenging conditions. If you're a traveler, a parent wanting to capture candid moments, or an enthusiast looking for a versatile camera that gets you close to the action, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Once I did have the camera in order, with the settings I wanted, and, by the way, you have many options when it comes to settings, I, easily, took a few quick shots, which came out stunning and clear. I also liked how far I could zoom in and still have the photos turn out beautiful. It takes beautiful pictures, and despite some people here having unfortunate problems with the camera's lighting and battery life, I have yet to have issues. It is, mind you, a digital camera and takes high residential pics. Great handheld camera for on the go. Multiple settings, easy to use. Clear HD pictures. Number 1. Santa Claus, the Book of Secrets. Discover the enchanting world of Santa Claus. This book reveals the secrets behind the magic, written and illustrated by Russell Ince. Embark on a journey that goes beyond your wildest imagination. It's a tale filled with wonder and discovery for all ages. Learn about the brilliant mind that brings joy to millions. The creator's vision comes alive through captivating illustrations. Are you curious about how the magic happens? This book holds the answers, presented in a way that sparks imagination. Experience the story through stunning visuals. The detailed illustrations bring every page to life, making it a true work of art. Make this holiday season unforgettable with a special read. It's the perfect gift for anyone who believes in the magic of Santa. What we like. This book delves into the mysterious world of Santa Claus with captivating illustrations and a unique story. It offers a fresh perspective on a beloved holiday figure. If you or someone you know enjoys enchanting tales and wants to uncover the secrets behind the magic of Christmas, this book is a must-have. What people say. Very good quality book. Wonderful stories and incredible artwork. Such high-quality print and pages. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.